I used the expression recently, America Gonif, in writing an email. One of the friends, what does that mean? So explain its usage, what it means, but we don't know how it got to mean that. Because the literal meaning is America thief. Gonif is a thief, and it means, isn't this land wonderful? American Gonif is, look what the wonderful things you find in America. So we don't know how it got connected to the. So I had to. Well, this is the recent occurrence of trying to connect words, and so sometimes I use Yiddish expressions as a natural way of expressing a feeling or an idea.